Hello, welcome to another unboxing. This time it's the Noctua NF-F12 PWM chromax.black.swap, and this is a PWM at 120 by 120 by 25 millimeters with swappable anti-vibration pads in 6 colours. So this is the third of my chromax videos, exploring all the different fans that I'm having to get to change what I've got, which are already Noctua, into black basically. So here we go again with that strange connector. I say I don't know why they put that there, but I'd like to hear your thoughts on this, because I don't like this. I'd much rather it was just connected like it used to be. That's an unnecessary lump as far as I'm concerned. So this one is the static pressure version, which is also good for an exhaust. You can use it for an exhaust, but I'm going to be using this one for the second part of the D15 cooler, because with my RAM I couldn't use 2 of these big ones, which they come with 2 of the big ones. Unfortunately with my RAM, the Ryzen RAM, it won't fit. It's got a slightly different design, this one, so it's got pockets, and it's actually quite good for the D15 cooler because it doesn't fit over the whole thing. So say like it doesn't fit over this much, it actually still has little compartments to force the air in, and that works quite well. So obviously that's the side that goes against the fins. And let's see how many we get this time. It seems the first one I had like this only had enough colours for one side. This one had enough for both sides, but on the black it didn't. It had one missing. So let's see how we do here. Oh, and again, it's only 4 of each colour. So I'm not putting this against a PC case, so it's a little bit disappointing. And just compare it to this one. They're both, I think they're both the same size. Yeah, they're both the same size. Slightly different design. This one's more, as I say, for the back of the case, getting the air out, and this one's more for static pressure for your cooler. But you could use this one for this scenario, but not the other way around. Well, I mean, you could, but I think the efficiency is best that way round. So once again, I have got the only enough green for one side. It's a bit disappointing that I haven't got enough for both, because I have on this one. So that will make it look a bit odd, unfortunately. A bit annoying. I mean, I suppose I could not have them on at all. They feel like a nice soft rubber. I want the old Noctua fans. I think they were built in. Just have a look. So here's the one that I had to take off, just like this. And as you can see, it's already got these installed. Actually, brown wouldn't go with black, would it? No. So yeah, a lot of people, I didn't really like the colour of these. It didn't really fit with anything else inside the case. It always looked a bit odd, but I was prepared to put out with it because they're such damn good fans. They really are very good. So let's just put this on. So on the next video I will be doing the cooler cover, and the video after that I will be doing fitting it all, showing the before and after to my computer. And I say it's mainly cosmetic. So it was quite a bit of money to spend just for a cosmetic go, but it was Christmas, so I bought myself a Christmas present, this and a synthesizer for Christmas. And I've just got it now in January. And I realised I had enough money to buy myself a present. Now I'm skint again. So there we are. So it would be nice, wouldn't it, to have the one colour all the way round. Bit of a shame that. Especially because, oh, I suppose I might get away with it. This would be on the outside of the D15. This would be in the middle. It is a shame. I guess what I might have to do is do this one the same. So it's black and green. Yeah, I might have to do that. So I'm just going to change this one around so it's black this side. These are slightly different on this model. So yeah, any faults, please leave them in the comments, and indeed what you'd like to see when I do these unboxing videos, because you know, some people comment, you didn't do this, you didn't do that, or you didn't show it built or whatever. I like to do the sort of unboxing bit separately, and then a separate video with it all connected, and I'll put links to the case, putting them in the case. I'll put a link on this video and the others. Right, so this one will be like so. Actually, it'll be that way because that's the way the exhaust goes. So they'll be in the case like that. So I've sort of got them to match anyway, but not how I wanted, which is a bit of a shame. I guess I could send off for a box of colours, but I don't really want to spend any more money on cosmetics. Anyway, there we are. So that's the end of my trilogy of fan videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.